I'm gonna try to get these shocks on today. Not all of them, but the ones on the back here. And we need to measure a drive shaft and the universal joints and see what we got going on there. I am going to go ahead and put the gear oil in it too while we're out here. And the good thing about this 9-inch is it's got a field plug in it right here, so that's nice. So I just gotta take this plug out here so we know when it's full. And I don't know why that's so tight. So let me go get a cheater pipe or something. There you go. Alright, got my cheater pipe here. Let's see if we can get this thing loose without breaking it. Man, I don't know why that thing's so daggone tight. Man, that thing is tight. Alright, got that loose. Here's my little cap. This thing's already rusting up around the lip there. How nice. But anyways, let's go ahead and put some fluid in it until it comes out this hole here. So I'll let y'all sit over here and watch. And you let me know when it's coming out. It's right there. I usually get it where it's running out, but obviously I ain't got enough, but it is right there at the top there. So at least we got some in it. So I guess we go ahead and play with these shocks and see if we can get those on there real quick. Here's the instructions. I better read these before I just assume the shock goes on there like a regular shock. You never know. Just assuming gets me in trouble sometimes. Sit here and read these instructions. Alright, we got it on here, but this bottom end here doesn't fit. This sleeve is too wide to fit where it's supposed to go, and the hole is too small for my bolt to go through. This is a 9/16 bolt, and that's a 1/2 inch hole, so it's too small. So we got some grinding to do on the shock and some drilling to do on this. I think before I do that, I want to do the most important thing, which is measure my drive shaft and my universal joints and my yoke here, and see if those universal joints would even fit in here, and what we got going on here, what I got to do, and what needs to be done. So yeah, that's what I got to do. I got to measure this thing. So we're gonna measure these caps on the universal joint here. They are 1 1/8 inches. So now we're going to measure pinion here. They are 1 1/16 inches. So these universal joints is not going to fit in there. Let's measure, see how wide they are. .65 inches, so a little over 3.5 inches. Let's measure this one here. And 3.22 inches. So, all right, I got my measurements. Let me do some little bit of googling on the interwebs there and figure out what's going on, what universal joints go on this pinion yoke. We'll go from there. All right, with a little googling on the interwebs there, I found out that the yoke on the rear end here, this thing takes a 1310, which is the smallest universal joint there is. Woo! And this universal joint is a 3R, and they make a combination 3R to 1310. So I guess that's a good thing, hopefully. So maybe I could just get this drive shaft lengthened. So we'll go from this one, which is a lot bigger, to a little bitty. So we're going to have a weak point right here that we might break one day, but that's how it goes. Whoop whoop. Alright, it snowed again. It snows every weekend apparently now. That's a thing. So it's still kind of, I guess it's raining or sleeting. I don't know what it's doing. So I guess we'll try to get these shocks ground down where they'll fit in the rear end here. So I'm just gonna take a real quick measurement, see what we need to get. All right, there's the measurement I got off the rear end there. So we got to get this end of the shock ground down to match that measurement. The rear end was built for a square body, but it seems like none of the stuff, you know, the shocks won't fit in it and the holes are too small. Both in the spring perch, the hole was too small for the centering pin. The hole's too small for the bolt for the shocks. But I don't know. That kind of sucks. At least I didn't buy it brand new, or I would have been upset over that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing ground down. All right, I got it. Finally. So now I need to grind the other one down real quick. Alright guys, I got my 9/16 drill bit here. So we could drill out the holes on the shock mount on the rear end. You don't want to just slam your drill in there all dried up. You gotta get some lube on it. This is gonna be fun. Can't even get my drill in there straight. And the battery's dead. Every single time. Alright, hopefully this battery is charged. There's one side of it. Can't get my drill in there straight to get the other side. I hope I ain't got to take this leaf spring off and stuff again just to drill this hole out. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I'm not doing that. Alright, I couldn't get the other side completed, so I'm gonna try this side, see what we get. Can't forget your lube. Remember, you don't want to shove it in there dry. Alright, we got that one. Alright, I can't get this side because I don't know if y'all can see that, but the drill bit, I can't get it straight because my drill's hitting the rear end right there, so I can't get a good straight. I can't freaking get a straight shot on this thing. So I'm not just gonna put on one shock on one side today. So we're gonna call this a fail. Alright guys, I got fed up messing with those shocks. I didn't even shoot an outro, so I gotta do it now. But I did measure the drive shaft, and for some reason I didn't record it. I pressed a button and it like took a picture, didn't record it, but whatever. I measured the drive shaft and I took it to fleetpride, so that's getting made. So that's a little bit of progress, I guess. But I never did get the shocks on. We're gonna have to take that leaf spring off to get to that other side there. Well, yeah, I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see you.